Welcome to Tiny Tales TV. The Brave Bear Hunt. A group of adventurous children gathered, ready for an exciting bear hunt. With their backpacks packed and boots laced, they set off into the wilderness, chanting, "We're going on a bear hunt, we're going on a bear hunt." Their journey led them through tall, swaying grass where they marched onward, undeterred by the rustling sounds around them. Can't go over it, can't go under it, can't go around it, can't go over it. They repeated, determined to face any obstacle. Next, they reached a wide, rushing river. With a deep breath, they waded through the cool waters, feeling the current tug at their legs. But their spirits remained high as they chanted their mantra. "We're going on a bear hunt, we're going on a bear hunt." As they ventured deeper into the forest, they encountered thick, sticky mud. Squelching and squelching, they pressed forward, their determination unwavering. Can't go over it, can't go under it, can't go around it, can't go over it. They reminded themselves. Finally, they stumbled upon a dark cave nestled among the trees. With hearts pounding, they peered inside, hoping to catch a glimpse of the elusive bear. But to their surprise, the cave was empty. Disappointed yet proud of their bravery, the children retraced their steps, reminiscing about their adventurous bear hunt. As they returned home, they carried with them memories of courage and camaraderie. Moral of the story: the brave bear hunt teaches us the value of courage, perseverance, and teamwork. Even when faced with challenges, determination and unity can lead us through any journey. And sometimes, the greatest adventure lies in the bonds we form along the way. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye-bye!